Hello guys, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Mega Menu feature that comes built in to your Shopify theme. A Mega Menu is a wide, visually structured drop-down that helps customers easily browse through categories, collections, or featured promotions. The great thing is that many modern Shopify themes, including the free Dawn theme, allow you to create one without writing any code. We'll begin by setting up your navigation menu, then connect it to the Mega Menu options in the theme editor, and finish by adding images or banners for a more polished appearance. Start by organizing your menu inside the Shopify admin. Go to Content, then open the menu you want to modify, such as your main navigation. Add a top-level menu item that will serve as the Mega Menu trigger, something like Shop or Collections. Even Main Menu would do. This top-level link will act as the main container for everything that appears in the drop-down. Next, start adding your second-level items by creating new menu entries and dragging them underneath the top-level item so they are properly nested. You can nest up to 3 levels deep, giving you enough flexibility to display categories, subcategories, and even highlighted links. Keep the names brief and easy to understand, and arrange them in an order that makes sense for your customers. Once the structure looks correct, click Save Menu. Saving is essential because the theme editor reads this exact navigation setup. Now, let's move on to the visual customization. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on your current theme, or Edit Theme. At the top of the theme editor, select Header from the list of sections. In the header settings, locate the Mega Menu options and choose Add Mega Menu Block. In the block settings, type the exact name of the top-level menu item you created earlier, matching every character precisely. This tells the theme which drop-down should be converted into a Mega Menu layout. You'll then see choices for uploading images, adding promotional graphics, or adjusting the menu layout. Use images that match in size and style. Keep file sizes small for fast loading, and place banners thoughtfully to call attention to seasonal deals or popular products without cluttering the menu. Add your columns so related items are grouped together, and aim for a smooth left-to-right flow. Once everything is arranged the way you want, click Save. To summarize, you first built a clear navigation structure in the admin area, then linked your top-level menu item to a Mega Menu block in the theme editor, and finally added visuals to enhance the shopper experience. If the Mega Menu doesn't appear correctly, double-check that the block name exactly matches your top-level menu item and that all sub-items are correctly nested. And that's it! You've now set up an organized and attractive Mega Menu using your theme's built-in features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips on how to make the most of your Shopify site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.